Are you an OEM based in North America or Europe in need of vendors from India for all your manufacturing needs? In corporate manufacturing, OEMs often find it tedious to find reliable vendors and face the complexity of managing multiple touchpoints. Facing challenges in communication, quality control, complexities in engineering, lack of traceability and transparency throughout the manufacturing process can be frustrating, which can lead to delays, errors, and increased costs for OEMs. While vendors in India struggle with managing the complex logistics involved in international trade, finding new customers, lack of finance options, and maintaining high-quality standards. This is where Machinemaze comes in. We offer a comprehensive technology-driven solution that manages the entire manufacturing process from print to part, becoming a one-stop vendor for the OEM. With expertise in 30-plus manufacturing processes and a 300-plus audited vendor network, we connect North American and European OEMs with vendors in India, serving as a single point of contact through the entire transaction. Firstly, we're completely digital and a 100% transparent ecosystem. All our vendors are thoroughly audited through a stringent validation program to ensure your parts are up to the mark. Our digital solution simplifies the process of finding reliable vendors for OEMs, whether it's to manufacture parts and components, for all your assemblies, sub-assemblies, and electronics up until your finished products. Our dedicated portals, including the OEM portal, Project Manager portal, and Vendor portal, have been carefully curated and tracked entirely digitally. With transparent communication, all our portals are designed to make sure that all the stakeholders feel connected and informed every step of the way. We take the hassle out of manufacturing by standing firmly by your side through every stage of the process by providing you with the digital experience you need to succeed. Once a customer submits a request for a quote, we take the reins and guide them from start to finish. We enable complete supply chain transparency and real-time tracking throughout the manufacturing process, ensuring our customers monitor the progress of their projects and make informed decisions based on real-time data. The platform provides integrated dashboards, complete audit trail, live progress tracking, quality measures, engineering expertise, supply chain, finance, and complete end-to-end management of vendors and projects from start to finish. Our digital portals provide unparalleled transparency and control over the manufacturing process. The user-friendly dashboard allows OEMs to view and manage RFQs and transactions, track project lifecycles, monitor inventory levels, and gain detailed insights into their manufacturing trends. The portal also provides advanced features for managing vendor relationships, including finance applications, purchase order management, and live tracking of deliveries. The vendor portal enables vendors to expand their market and receive RFQs, provide quotes online, and get constant updates on the status of their projects. With project lifecycle management, finance options, engineering support, and design suggestions, vendors achieve the highest level of quality in their work. With our AI feedback system, our vendors can receive valuable insights on how they have performed on a project or why their samples were not approved. Additionally, our AI can provide feedback on why their quotes were not accepted, allowing our vendors to improve and increase their chances of winning future projects. Machinemaze is the binding force that enables seamless transactions between OEMs and vendors. We also have a dedicated team of experts who provide engineering support and quality assurance to ensure that the products meet the OEM specifications. Our advanced AI and ML algorithms optimize the vendor selection process, ensuring that our customers get the best quality products at the best possible price, while our engineering support and quality assurance teams enable our customers to save significant time and money, reduce errors, and achieve faster time to market. So let Machinemaze be your one-stop digital solution and gateway for all your manufacturing needs in India and beyond.